are starting our trip in Pennsylvania. I'm going to find Ren right now. He couldn't find the sheets we were supposed to meet up at. But as you can see, I do end up finding him.
Alright, well, we're in West Virginia now. Check out Ren's bike, dude. Sweet. Traveling through the night, no issues. It's a pretty nice night. Nothing. Our adventure has started. And right on cue, we stopped here at the gas station and it started to rain. So now we're going to continue on our adventure in the rain. Of course, I feel okay, but kind of worried about Ren here at the moment. We'll see how it plays out.
We rode on through the night and decided to grab breakfast in the morning.
Well, we just had breakfast at Harding's Family Restaurant. Getting on our way to Nashville now. 211 miles away from home. It's gonna be fun. Good. Let's do this shit, Hemfield. I wonder if you'll be able to hear you through the helmet in the video. I don't know, I guess we'll find out. So you think if the rain lets off we can cruise at like 70?
Peer pressure. What the fuck?
Forgot your keys again. Oh. West Virginia, wild and wonderful.
Yes.
How fickle my heart and how woozy my eyes. I struggle to find any truth in your lies. And now my heart stumbles on things I don't know. My weakness I feel I must finally show. Lend me your hand and we'll conquer them all. But lend me your heart and I'll just let you fall. Lend me your eyes, I can change what you see. But your soul you must keep totally free. Ha, 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 ha. How fickle my heart and how woozy my eyes. I struggle to find any truth in your lies. And now my heart stumbles on things I don't know. My weakness I feel I must finally show. Ha, 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 ha. In these bodies we will live, in these bodies we will die. Where you invest your love, you invest your life. In these bodies we will live, in these bodies we will die. And where you invest your love, you invest your life.
Kentucky after some debate and deliberation over our status. After leaving midnight and driving all night through the rain and driving all day through the heat. So I'm gonna try to get cleaned up and rested and hit it tomorrow.